Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we're going to show you how to quickly set up the TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi extender using the WPS method. This is the easiest way to extend your Wi-Fi coverage without needing a smartphone or computer. Let's dive right in. First, let's unbox the TP-Link AC750 Wi-Fi extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender itself, a quick installation guide, and the power adapter. That's all you need to get started. Next, plug your extender into a power outlet somewhere between your router and the area where you want to extend the Wi-Fi signal. Ideally, place it within range of your router for optimal performance. Now, we need to connect your phone or computer to the TP-Link extender default Wi-Fi network. Look for a Wi-Fi network that starts with TP-Link_extender in your device's Wi-Fi settings. Now, go to your main Wi-Fi router and press the WPS button. Hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the router should start blinking, indicating it's ready to pair with the extender. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. The LED light on the extender will start blinking, showing that it's connecting to the router. Once connected, the extender will broadcast a new Wi-Fi network. It usually uses your existing network name with _ext added at the end. You can now connect your phone, tablet, or laptop to this extended network. If needed, unplug the extender and move it to a better location, still within range of the router but closer to the area where you need better signal. Plug it in again, and wait for the LED to turn green. If you face any issues or need assistance during the setup process, our expert support team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance and troubleshooting. Just give us a call at 1-323-507-3713 anytime, and that's it. Your TP-Link AC750 extender is now up and running using the WPS method. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.